So I get in my truck, there's no dash dome lights. Absolutely nothing, deader than doornail. So I tried my battery tester, it wouldn't even turn it on. I got this LED test light here, and it don't take a whole lot to light it up, and it's just nothing. So we're gonna try the Beatit. Now I've had this thing for a long time, 2 years. I've jumped a lot of cars with it and charged a lot of phones with it. So let's see what it'll do when I completely dead 5.3. May or may not do it. I wouldn't blame it if it didn't, but I think that's only like a 400 amp or something if I remember right. It's an older one. I'd like to update and get a newer one. The newer ones, I think, with the black box has a way that when you start it up, you don't have to take the clamps off to keep them back feeding, recharging that. So anyway, let's hook this up, and we may have to let it sit on there for a minute and then we'll try it. There you go, Beatit. Like I say, this is an older one. But it's usually done everything I wanted to do. Now, you know, this is just more or less to start your battery that went dead when you left the lights on and stuff like that. For that kind of stuff, it's a lifesaver. You got this, you can hit the button here. Oops, and it tells you your charge. It says off and on, I think. So what we're gonna do is hook it on here. Make sure you get a good connection. And this one's easier because the battery's right here, you can see it. If not, you'll have to find a way. I see a little sparking on it. So let's try it right away and see if it helps any at all. Oops. So you gotta make sure you get them on there good. Let's see what it does right away. Hey, hey. Now you don't want to leave these on there. Like I say, I think the new ones that has that black box on it, I think those ones you can leave on there because it won't reverse charges. The alternator put too much out to charges, I think, is what the problem is there. But this thing's pretty cool. Like I say, it's only the 400 amp one or whatever. But it seems to work. It's got a couple USB ports on it there. That's the input to charge it. Got a little flashlight on it. I think it comes on and blinks. I don't know, I don't use a flashlight. But anyway, like I say, I've had that for several years, and you just seen it right there, 5.3 on a 2004 Chevy, not a Chevy, GMC Sierra. Battery was so dead it wouldn't even light up a test light, and this thing fired right up. Maybe a little slow, but it worked. Now they give you a nice little place to put stuff. Trying to do things one-handed ain't always easy. Nice thing is you can throw it right in your car. Keep it with you. I don't know. You know, some people say to charge these once a month, whether you use them or not. You know, hey, let's do this too. Let's get it back out. Let's see what the battery says it is when if we got that nice little meter. Look at that. Still all blue. You can do this. You know, you could probably jump this thing a dozen times that way before you have to recharge this again. I'd like to get a little bigger one, but you see that I think that if it's not, I'll put it in the description, but I think this is 400 cranking amp. If not, I'll correct it in the description. But you can get bigger ones now, but you've seen that started at 5.3, so a bigger one would even be awesome. But I tell you what, I'm a believer. I always had the big boxes before, but I like this. The name should be Can't Beat It.